Hi, welcome back to Excel Guru. In this video, we are going to understand the errors in Excel. So, what are the errors comes in Excel? How types of errors in Excel, examples of errors and errors descriptions, error handler, how to handle the errors and circular reference. It is also one of the error which is very important to understand. All right, so friends, so many times it happens in Excel while working on Excel, doing some calculation or applying some formulas, right? We receive different kinds of errors. So it is very important to understand the nature of the error, why it is coming, the reason behind that, and how to fix it. So this is very important to handle these kind of errors to get the required outcome. All right, okay, so let's go to the Excel and understand this. Okay, so errors in Excel. So these are the some list of errors which comes in Excel, which I have noted down. Okay, so we'll understand one by one. Okay, so this is the first error type. First error is has NA. So when has NA come, NA as name says is not available. So when we apply some formula, I mean we are searching some keyword in any specific range, right? And if that keyword, that value is not available in that range, then it gives us has NA. Okay, when lookup value is not available in the series. Okay, so suppose if I'm finding any name, this is the list of the name. Okay, and suppose if I'm finding some name like this is the name SCL. Okay, if I'm finding this lookup value is this, and lookup value is this, comma 1 comma 0. Okay, see has NA. Why NA has come? Because this value SCL, this name is not available in this list. Okay, that is why this has NA has come. So this is the live example. Okay, all right, let's come to the hash value. First we will go through all the kind of the errors, the example of error when it comes. We'll understand the description, and then we understand how to handle it. Okay, so error handler we handle. Okay, so the second one is the hash values. So hash values, when it comes in multiple scenarios, so like if there is some issue in some values, then this hash values come. Suppose there is a some text in one cell and some value in another cell, and you are trying to do summation of those two values. You want to add it, this plus this. Okay, see, you got this hash value error. Why? Because you are trying to add two value in which one value is number and another value is text. Okay, that is why some issue in the text value, because text yes, some summation cannot work on this text value, addition cannot work on that. That is why it received hash value error. So hash value comes in here. Okay, now come to the hash name. So hash name error when it comes. So friends, when you will look at this attentively, then you will understand that with name it suggests the nature of the error. So hash name means some issues in name. So in which name? Okay, so if suppose you are typing some formula and you made a spelling mistake in that formula, then that hash name error comes. Okay, when we write wrong name of the function. Okay, so here I have write this VLOOKUP formula. Suppose if I am writing this VLOOKUP formula and I have done the spelling mistake, rather than VLOOKUP I have entered VLUK up. Okay, see, hash name error has came here. So it's saying that there is some mistake in the name of the formula, name of the function. Okay, so hash name. Now come to the hash ref error. When it comes, when we delete the reference of the cell, then hash name error come. Okay, suppose there is another sheet. Okay, okay, there is a sheet, another sheet, and I am giving reference that some value has written here. Okay, India on another sheet. I am giving the reference of that sheet. Okay, in this sheet A1. So India has come here, right? Now I am deleting this sheet. I have deleted this sheet. See that has ref error has come, right? Because the reference sheet has been deleted. So when reference sheet has been deleted, then this error has come, has ref. Okay. Now coming to the next error, that's called division error. Okay, so next is div error. Div means division error. When we divide value by 0 or blank cell. So when we divide value with 0 or blank cell, then this division error come. Okay. So in division error, when we divide value by 0 or blank cell, then it comes division error. Okay. So let's come here. Suppose here if I am dividing this value with this value, okay, so I will get this result. Okay, but when if I am deleting this value, then division error will come. See, now this B17 is getting divided by B16, and at B16 it is 0. That is why this division error is coming. Okay, so let's move on to the next error, is null error. So when null error comes, when we delete separator, so in formula when we delete the separator, then null error comes. Okay, so if someone I am applying the formula here, sum of this range. Okay, and in sum, what is the separator is this column. If I am deleting this column and giving the space here, see, then null error will come. So this is the null error. So null error comes when we delete the separator. Okay, now come to the num error. Num error means number error. So when we pass invalid argument under function, okay, then num error come. Like invalid argument, when we are passing the invalid argument, that argument which is not valid in the function, then num error come. Suppose if I am taking the square root of any negative value, let's say if I am getting the square root of 5, then I will get the outcome. But if I am taking the square root of -5, then that will be invalid argument, then the num error will come. Okay, now come to this summation error. Sometime you might have noticed that we received this e plus 1 5 something kind of summation error. So when it comes, when we enter more than 13 digit in a cell, so if we are numbering more than 13 digit in a cell, then summation error come. All the value will not be visible here. Okay, so if you will see this in the address formula bar, you would be able to see this, but in the cell you won't be able to see. You would be able to see in this summation format. So how to correct it, how to fix this error? So to fix this error, go to cell format, control 1, and come to custom, and in custom enter 0. Here enter 0. Okay, enter. See, now you would be able to see this all the digits of this cell. Okay, so this is about the summation error. Now come to this circular reference. Okay, circular reference, friends, this is very important, because this makes a big impact on your formula. So suppose there is a value here, okay, and if you are applying the summation formula, you want the sum of this the entire value. Okay, so here you will write this sum equal to this range. You will get the sum 120. Okay, what if you are taking you have taken the range from B1 to B15. Suppose if I am taking, and cell is this formula is in B16 cell. This cell number is B16. Okay, the formula cell. If suppose if I am in the formula, I am taking the range of B16 also, B1 to B16, then see what it is giving. It is giving this error dialog box you will receive. in this case, if you are considering this formula cell also, cell address also in the range, then there are one or more circular reference where a formula refers to its own cell either directly or indirectly. This might cause them to calculate incorrectly. Try removing or changing these reference or moving the formula to different cells. Okay, if you will click on this, okay, see the outcome is 0. Okay, so you will not get the outcome although you applied the formula correctly, but you have taken the formula address B16 also in the range. That is why it is giving the circular reference error. The outcome is 0. Okay, and if you will see below here, then you will it is giving you the message that circular reference at B16. At B16 there is a circular reference, and if you will go to the formula, okay, and come to error checking, sorry, here also in error checking, if you will come to circular reference, it will give you that there is a circular reference at cell number B16. If you will click on this, then it will refer to this. So what is the solution for this? That remove this range from the range. Okay, so don't consider the cell value where formula is available. Okay, so till B15, now you will get the outcome. So this is about the circular reference. This is very, very important, must understand that. Okay, another one is the sometime you have noticed that there is a some color comment kind of color, and if you will click on this cell, then you will get this number stored as text. So when we number, ideally when it happens, when we type number in a cell, then by default it goes to the right if it is number, and if it is text, then it goes to the left. See, so this is the nature of a cell. Text goes in left direction, in left alignment, and number goes to right alignment. Okay, if you are not changing the alignment. Okay, so if you are entering any apostrophe before that, okay, then that number will convert into text. Okay, and it will give you this error. If you will see this, then it will say that number, it was a number, but that was stored as a text, convert to number. So many times it happens that, suppose this is the I am 120, I am getting the outcome in this, and in 10, okay, I am entering the values here. Let's convert this to value. So outcome I am getting 120, but in this cell before 10 I am entering this apostrophe and converting this into the text. Okay, so see, the outcome has changed from 120 to 110 because this value has converted from number to text, and it is not considering the value of this 10. Okay, so many times it happens when we do the calculation, we do the summation or counting of numbers in a column, and if the list, I mean the number of range is, it's huge, let's say it's a 10,000, 20,000. So many times it happens that in between there are some numbers are stored as a text, then we have to check that. Okay, so we have to convert it, we have to change it from number to text to number, convert to number, it will be converted. Okay, so this fixing you have to do, right? Alright, so this is all about the errors, and these are the error handlers. First, is NA was introduced in Excel, then each error has come, then each ref. We will not go through all that, just giving the reference of this background of this error handlers. Then is ref has come, then is error has come, and as of now the latest one is the if error. So if error we are using, so when we apply any formula like this hash NA formula or this ref formula, so here we apply before that formula we can apply, like here it was coming hash NA, so I want that if hash NA is coming, so instead of hash NA, you want to place something, I mean you are searching some value and that value is not available, then what it should show, then in that case you can apply if error, and at the last if error, if error. If error is coming, then what you want to represent? You want to represent that like this, value not available. If this comment you want to give, that if value is not available, then rather than coming hash any, it should come like this, that value not available. See, if hash any has come, then value not available. And if you are entering this value, so which is available in this, suppose Raj, then Raj will come. And if you are entering some value which is not available, okay, then it will come value not available. So this is the error work as an error handler, which is very important. So when many times you would be required to use this error when you are doing some automation, creating some dashboard, automated dashboard, right, in Excel. Okay, so this was all about the errors in Excel. And if you have any query regarding this, you want to some more clarity on this, then please put in the comment box, right friends. And please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and must click on the bell icon, okay, to get the notification of the next video. Thank you so much.